Right, so welcome back to part 4, I think it is. Yeah, we got the wheels back on. Got a new exhaust on the top because the old one was rusted out. Bonnet still needs a bit of polishing. So we got new tyres. They're the same rims, just repainted them. As you can see, they've come out alright. Maybe just do a bit of paint of nuts. Yeah, got the wings on, and it's all rewired. So yeah, looking pretty smart. Go around the other side. Yep, here we go. These have literally just been put on. Fortunately, I didn't get any of that on camera, just because I wasn't at the farm. But yeah, here's the other tractor. The wheels aren't on yet, they're actually just there. So I should be able to get a bit of that on camera. And then this should be pretty much done, this tractor. Yeah, just need some new stickers really on the bonnet. And the new exhaust stack. There's the other side. And yeah, I'm currently working on a video, silage video for, yeah, because we hit 1,000 subscribers a couple of days ago, which is amazing. We're actually nearing on 2,000 now, which I still don't really believe, because I didn't think I'd get 100, let alone 1,000. So thanks to everyone who subscribed. I'll try and give you better content as we go. So once this pivot seat is done, we will be putting the other telehandler in. See that rust bucket over there? Zoom in on it. Yeah, we're going to be putting that in. There's Rex, the farm dog, and that JCB is going to be sandblasted from like top to bottom and repainted, so it should be pretty fun. Should be a good video as well. So I'll probably do that like separate to these ones, and that'll be taking this place to drive it in. I think if anyone wants to buy a pivot steer, let me know. We might end up exporting it to Germany because they seem to be pretty popular over there, and it turns out the Yanks over in America love them as well. So yeah, what else should I say? So yeah, we've got these spray painted now. It's all good. We've done a lot of work on the under ceiling. These are all new wings. I think I said in the last video, but I'm not sure. Had to rivet them all on. We did some work around here because it turns out we sort of oversprayed on the pistons here. Not pistons, but on the rams, and it wouldn't go down. So we sort of cleaned it up, and it's fine now. These have all been sprayed. These mount blocks, all like sanded down and resprayed. Needs a bit more spray on there, but we'll get to that next. Fun fact for you: these cables, hitch cable, that snapped, right? It was £450. I'm not, probably like $800 with the equivalent to replace that cable, and it runs the entire length through the machine and into the cab. Yeah, that was interesting. It wasn't really much bodgery. It was more to do with finding where the cable goes. I think there's dust on the camera. Oh yeah, that's another one. Been improving my camera work. It's still pretty shoddy, but it's getting better. Just saw this. That needs a bit of work. That's just corroded. Yeah, that's one of the many small jobs to do. Same with that. I need sanding down a bit. And yeah, generally it's looking pretty smart. Almost like new. You wouldn't have thought that a few days ago. And yeah, so the future of this series is, I've already said about that machine, but there's also a machine to the right which is in a fairly good condition, along with this one up here. This is the newest one we have, I'd say. This is in pretty good condition. Don't know if we'll bother, we're not going to spray it now. Maybe just tart up the exhaust a bit, maybe, yeah, it needs some new wings. And the front, we'll probably spray up the front. But yeah, generally it's fine. Nothing wrong with it mechanically. Yeah, we picked this up from an auction. Well, we picked them all up in the auction, God, must have been a month ago now. And yeah, do slow some bits of progress to them. I think one of these needs replacing. Yeah, it's the other side, like, it's bent. I think that one's been done quite recently. I'm not sure. But yeah. I think that's all I can really say for this video. I mean, I'm going to add some more clips in of us doing the wheels and that, and so on, but yeah. It's a really nice day today. You wouldn't have thought this a few hours ago. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying the series. It's a bit of a bodge and scarper. Well, it is and it isn't. I mean, you got to do what you got to do. So yeah, it's coming out pretty good. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, I guess, and feel free to subscribe. It really does help, and I'll see you in a bit. See you when I see you. Alright. So here's a pivot steer. We had a bit of an issue with a solenoid which just stuck in all the hydraulic. Well, a solenoid valve was seized solid, so we had to pull it out. Turned out to be a bigger job than we thought, as they always turn out to be. But it's out now and we're going to put that back together. And yeah, we had to drain the oil, just still dripping. There was a lot of oil. But yeah, all we need to do now is put that back together and put the oil back in, and it should be good to go. Oh, and of course we've got to put a panel on the top there. But yeah, also over here we got the wheels on. So we had those sprayed and sandblasted yesterday. So as you can see, they've come out pretty good. Front ones as well. This tractor's almost finished. There's a slight issue with the battery, in that it's draining the battery somewhere in the engine. I think there's a short circuit somewhere, so need to find a solution for that. But I've looked on the internet and I think it may be something to do with the alternator, but I'll find out. So yeah, they're both pretty much done. I'm also in the process of starting a new series. Well, I might just make it one video, I'm not sure yet, of restoring this old JCB around the corner. As you can see, it's in a bit of a state. It's rusted out and we're going to be sandblasting it next week. So yeah, had a bit of an issue with the pin as it's cut. Well, it's stuck in there, and we tried heating it up and bashing it, but we don't want to damage a ram, so we might just end up cutting through them and going from there. Unless of course we can find someone who has like a mobile press who can push it out, but otherwise we're running out of options. But yeah, that will all be in the new video / series which I'm working on. So this is of course going to be sandblasted, new coat of paint, get some new panels on here, these rusted out bits, some new underbody panels as well. The engine is actually bang on, it's fine, there's nothing to do with it, nothing wrong with it, but it just needs a bit of tidying up. Yeah, this is actually, it's actually worked in a coal mine, we believe, for most of its life. So the coal was rusted through the steel, and we spent ages trying to blast it off of the steam power washer, but we'll just leave it for the sandblasting. We got it on these blocks just to get everything off. So yeah, this may be the last clip of this video, but if not, I'll do like a final outro of all the machines finished in the barn there. So yep, if it's not the end, I'll see you in the next clip, but if it is the end, hope you enjoyed the series. It's not been too in-depth, I know that. The next ones will be, like that one especially will be, because there's a lot to do in it. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to subscribe. Gonna do some more videos as lockdown continues. Oh, that brings me on to another one. Having another one of these tractors delivered. Another telehandler like that one, but better condition, and a 16-ton grain trailer, which we're going to be working on. Those should all be good videos, and yeah, I'll see you next time.